Okay, so some of you are going to say that it's too much work to be organized. I'm going to challenge that a little bit. A lot of being organized is just not procrastinating on certain tasks that you have to do at your home. So let's take, for instance, laundry. If you have a family, it's never ending. You're always washing, drying, putting things away. It takes a lot of time. But when I was a kid, we're going back to the dark ages here, my mom, to do laundry when I was a little kid, had to use a wringer washer. So if maybe you remember this from your mother, your grandmother, you literally had to use a garden hose to fill up the washing machine, and then you had two wash tubs, two galvanized tubs that you filled up with water. And you put your clothes in the washing machine, it agitated for a little while, and then you had to feed them through a wringer into the first tub, and you swish them around in the water, rinse them out, and then you moved the wringer and you put the clothes through the wringer again into the second tub, swished them around with your hands, then you wrung them out again and you took them outside and hung them on the line to dry, and you hoped that it was nice weather all day. Then you had to go and take them off the line, bring them in, and a lot of the clothes back then weren't wash and wear, you had to iron them. Now, granted, my mom was home a lot, she did work part-time, but wash day for 5 people was an entire day to get everything done. Nowadays, let's face it, all you gotta do is throw it in the washing machine, wait till it's done, throw it in the dryer, pull it out. And I timed it the other day. I can do a full load of wash in less than 5 minutes. I have it folded and put away. So I will challenge you that it's not that you don't have time to get things done. It's that you procrastinate and don't get things done. So if you want to be more organized, just get to it. Because let's face it, how much time you sitting on your phone scrolling?